Guys, let's cook beef fried rice. Sarap to kasi nakikita yung basurahan sa likod. Iyan. Painitin lang muna natin ang ating kawali. Guys, simple lang to yung ingredients. Of course, we need rice and then minced carrot at saka andun na yung beef. Pinagsama ko na. Minsanan ko na lang i-fry, guys. Yun lang yung ingredients natin. And of course, my oyster sauce, my soya sauce, garlic powder, pepper. Yun lang, guys. Madali lang. Okay, mainit ng ating kawali. Lagyan na natin ng mantika. Okay, mainit na yung ating kawali. Maglagay pa sana ako ng onion pero hindi na, guys. Ang gamitin ko na lang is yung garlic powder. So, ilagyan na natin yung beef at ang ating carrot. Habang ginigisa natin, lagyan na natin ng ating ingredients like black pepper. Damihan natin yung black pepper, guys. Garlic powder. And ground black pepper. Soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Sorry. Ito na natin magdalagyan. Ang kanya din. Ayan, luto na yung ating beef, guys. Dry na siya. Sige lang natin idagdag yung ating rice. Ayan. Maglagay na tayo ng oyster sauce. Dark soy sauce. Light soy sauce. And more garlic powder. Of course, sesame oil. Ayan. Simpleng-simple lang ito, guys, na recipe. Beef fried rice. My beef fried rice. Lapit na maluto, guys. Ayan, ganyan lang kasimple, guys. Luto na to. Konting ano na lang. luto. And then, we're finished. Ay, gawin ito pala. And we're done.